What is N.J.S.A. 393 Prohibited Weapons and Devices? New Jersey strictly bans certain weapons and devices, and a conviction can mean years in prison and a permanent criminal record. Under N.J.S.A. 2C. 393, it is illegal to knowingly possess specific prohibited weapons and devices. These items include destructive devices, sawed-off shotguns, silencers, defaced firearms, certain knives, hollow-point ammunition, and large-capacity magazines. Third-degree prohibited items include destructive devices, sawed-off shotguns, bump stocks or trigger cranks, covert or undetectable firearms, and unserialized firearms or receivers. Destructive devices include bombs, grenades, mines, rockets, missiles, or similar devices containing explosive, incendiary, or poison gas materials designed to cause death or serious injury. Sawed-off shotguns are those with barrels under 18 inches or an overall length under 26 inches. Unserialized firearms, often called ghost guns, are also prohibited unless properly registered or marked in compliance with federal requirements. Third-degree weapons crimes carry 3 to 5 years in prison and fines of up to $15,000. Fourth-degree prohibited items include silencers, defaced firearms, certain weapons such as switchblades and brass knuckles, hollow-point ammunition, and large-capacity ammunition magazines. A large-capacity ammunition magazine in New Jersey generally means a magazine capable of holding more than 10 rounds, subject to limited exceptions. Fourth-degree offenses are punishable by up to 18 months in prison and fines up to $10,000. Some firearm offenses may also trigger mandatory minimum sentences under the Graves Act. The Graves Act requires certain defendants to serve a mandatory portion of their sentence before becoming eligible for parole. To obtain a conviction under this statute, the prosecutor must prove the item is a prohibited weapon or device. The prosecutor must also prove you possessed the item, either actually or constructively. Actual possession means the weapon was found on your person and you knew what it was. Constructive possession means you knew where the item was located and had control over it, even if it was not physically on you. The state must also prove that you acted knowingly when possessing the prohibited item. In some cases, the law provides exemptions for members of the armed forces, National Guard, and law enforcement officers while on duty or traveling to or from authorized duty. Licensed collectors of firearms or ammunition as curios or relics may possess certain otherwise prohibited ammunition if they meet strict federal requirements. Civilians may keep hollow-point ammunition at their dwelling or property and may transport it from the place of purchase to their property. Private security guards and licensed firearms dealers also have limited statutory exceptions when acting within the scope of their duties. Defenses to these charges may include challenging an unlawful search and seizure under the Fourth Amendment. If police searched your home, vehicle, or person without a warrant, probable cause, or valid consent, evidence may be suppressed. Another defense is disputing constructive possession in shared spaces such as vehicles or residences. Pre-trial intervention may be available to certain first-time offenders for eligible third- or fourth-degree charges, potentially resulting in dismissed charges upon successful completion. A Graves waiver from the prosecutor may eliminate mandatory prison time in some cases. A conviction under N.J.S.A. 2C. 393 creates a permanent criminal record. That record can impact employment, housing opportunities, firearm rights, immigration status, professional licenses, and educational opportunities. These are serious charges that require immediate attention from a knowledgeable lawyer who understands New Jersey weapons laws. An experienced attorney can evaluate exemptions, challenge the prosecution's evidence, and pursue alternatives such as PTI or a Graves waiver when available. If you are facing a prohibited weapons charge, a criminal defense lawyer can help protect your constitutional rights and build a strategic defense. Lustberg Law Offices, LLC is a criminal defense law firm representing clients charged under N.J.S.A. 2C. 393 throughout Bergen County in New Jersey. Call Lustberg Law Offices, LLC at 201-880-5311 for a free consultation at 1 University Plaza Drive, number 212, Hackensack, New Jersey, 07601, United States.